Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see generative AI cybersecurity solutions specifically mentioned in Microsoft Security. So it is AI for cybersecurity, wherein Microsoft clearly mentions that how can we protect with AI? How can we embrace the game-changing technology of generative AI for cybersecurity to transform the way we work and how we protect our organization as the security professionals or the people who are responsible to manage the cybersecurity teams. To give you an overview how we can enhance the security with built-in AI. Let me pull up my text box. Okay, so how can we streamline the workflows? We have a Copilot. Copilot is available natively embedded across the Microsoft Security stack, powered by the organization data and industry-leading threat intelligence from Microsoft. Through that, we can receive tailored guidance. Because it works efficiently with natural language guidance, customized to our organization specific needs. Copilot turns signals from each of the security tools into actionable insights. And then we can protect with confidence and safely use AI for all business functions and roles, knowing that our sensitive data is protected by industry leading security and compliance controls. Because when you integrate Copilot or Copilot for security, you are trusting Microsoft that they will secure your data and would take care of the information protection while giving you the security and compliance controls powered with the generative AI. Now, what are the featured products, or I would say security tools powered by AI? Okay, it is Microsoft Copilot for security. Okay, it is Copilot in Microsoft Defender XDR. Then we have Copilot in Microsoft Intune. Then you have Copilot in Microsoft Purview. Then you have Copilot in Microsoft Entra. Then you have Copilot in Defender for Cloud as well. And included in Defender for Endpoint or Defender XDR, you have Copilot in Microsoft Defender External Attack Surface Management. Okay. Now it can provide a good integration for unified security operations platform. Okay. Because it would defend against cyber threats with XDR and SIEM in one platform, which is also now available with Copilot embedded. And therefore, if you use generative AI for cyber security, you would see how Copilot for security works seamlessly with other Microsoft tools, the one that we have highlighted here specifically. Okay. To help strengthen our security posture. Okay, so if we go through the list again, we have Microsoft Defender XDR, we have Microsoft Sentinel, Microsoft Entra, Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Purview, integrated with Microsoft Security Experts, Microsoft Threat Intelligence, And if you would be interested in end-to-end SecOps as an AI powered unified SecOps, because it will help you unify our security operations across prevention, detection and response within an AI powered platform to help us prevent attacks with integrated exposure management. We will see and read about the Microsoft exposure management, or how we have an integrated exposure management. Okay, and how it helps in detecting and disrupt cyber threats in real time, how it helps in investigation and response faster with generative AI. Okay, what it does, it boosts up the productivity with step-by-step guidance in natural language and automated workflows for quickly triaging, investigating and resolving an incident that you get on Defender portal. So if you adopt a unified SecOps platform, all right, it would replace the disconnected tools and fragmented analyst experiences with a streamlined platform to ease work and eliminate the gaps. It would reduce the risk of a material breach by approximately 60%. It would reduce time to cyber threat mitigation by more than 85 or close to 82%. It would free 75% of security analyst time for higher value tasks. Okay, and there are studies available as a proof for this point. All right. So to sum up, you can secure your multi-platform, multi-cloud environment with Microsoft Defender XDR, Microsoft Sentinel, Microsoft Security Exposure Management, and Microsoft Copilot for security. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any inputs, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.